In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits on Openart. We'll walk through exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly find the options that increase your credit balance, plus a few tips for choosing the plan that fits your needs. First, open the Openart site and head to the main suite homepage. This is your starting point. Make sure you're on the homepage where the navigation bar is visible because that's where the upgrade controls live. Once you're there, take a moment to glance around so you know where everything is. This will make the next steps faster. Next, look to the top right and click Upgrade. This button takes you straight to the page that outlines the available options for getting more credits. If the upgrade page loads in a modal or dedicated screen, give it a second to populate so you can see all the plans and their details clearly. On the upgrade screen, you'll see billing choices. Click Monthly to view the month-to-month pricing and the number of credits included on that cycle. This is useful if you prefer flexibility or want to try a plan without a long commitment. Take note of how many credits you get each month and any mentions of usage caps or included features listed on the page. Now click Annually to switch the view to yearly billing. This lets you compare the annual cost and in many cases see if there's a discounted rate compared to paying monthly. Even if you're not ready to commit annually, it's helpful to see the credit to cost ratio side by side so you can judge overall value. As you browse, you'll see the plan tiers. Essential is typically the entry-level option designed to boost your credits without going overboard. Read the description right on the page for the exact credit amount and any noted benefits. If you only need a modest bump in credits, this is often the most straightforward choice. Advanced usually steps things up for more frequent creators. Again, check the on-page details to confirm how many credits you receive and whether there are extras that matter to you, like faster generation or expanded features if listed. Infinite appears as a higher capacity tier for heavy or consistent use. Review the specifics provided to understand how credits scale here and whether the plan aligns with your workload. Finally, there's Wonder. Use the plan card's description to understand what distinguishes it, including credits and any premium perks shown. Compare what you see across all tiers, using the monthly and annually views to weigh flexibility against potential savings. That's it. By navigating to Upgrade, checking monthly and annually, and reviewing Essential, Advanced, Infinite, and Wonder, you'll be set to choose the best way to get more credits on Openart.